If you watch my other video, you know I had a problem setting up Arsenal. There's a problem with the connector cable. As you can see here on the 5D Mark III, on the connecting port, there's this little ridge, and it's preventing the cable to go all the way into the camera, which makes it unable to connect. First time you will receive Arsenal, and you use this unit. Put it onto your camera. Connect Arsenal to your camera. Make sure your camera is powered on. Arsenal is powered on. You'll see it starting up. Okay. So get started. It's now looking for Arsenal. Found one. Connect. Yeah, continue. So, as you will be able to see, Arsenal is not able to communicate with the camera at this moment. So, the solution. Turn off Arsenal. Get your cable. Put this aside. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're going to trim a bit of the mini USB part of the cable. So not the micro, which is a bit smaller, but a larger mini version. Okay. It's just a very small part of about 1 or 2 millimeters. Okay. So you will need a sharp knife and just like this, go all the way around. You will have a small ring. Okay, just pull it off, and that will let the connector cable reach much farther into the camera. So let's try again. The micro version of the cable goes into Arsenal on the left side. Okay. The other end, mini, USB mini, will go into the camera. Okay. Power on Arsenal. Okay, starting up. Looking for Arsenal devices again. Connect. Continue. And there you have it. It's now connected to the camera, and it seems to be working. So thank you for watching. See you next time.